Hey guys, for some reason, the last couple of days I've been struggling to just sign into Adobe.com to download Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, and just the Creative Cloud with all the apps. I cannot sign in the last couple of days after I factory reset my computer. It used to work, but now I can't sign in. And today I actually figured out a workaround to allow you to sign in. And this is for those of you on computer that want to sign into an already active Adobe Creative Cloud account. Like if you already pay for the apps themselves, not if you're a new member. Although this would work if you do want to do the 7-day trial, but I don't have to pay because I already have a student account, which gives me Adobe Premiere and everything for free. So what you want to do, go to your browser, go to Google, and I've tried a bunch of different ways to do this. But all you got to do is type in Adobe and then go to adobe.com, which could be like the first or second link. The first one's usually an ad, which might give them some revenue or whatever, but whatever. So the way like you don't want to do this, hold on, let me block my screen really quick so y'all don't get my information. This top right, when you first see this is what I try to go to all the time. I click sign in, right? Then I type in my email, click continue, and it just does a check mark and it will never let you enter your password. I think continue with Google. If you have like a Facebook, Apple, Google account and you already paid for this service, Adobe, you will be able to sign in. But those of us that just have a school email, we cannot download any of these products, sign in or anything through this. I've tried different emails up here. Let me do another one of my emails. Let me make sure that's not okay. Y'all can't really see it. Yeah, like just my normal email doesn't even work. So whatever, this thing's broken. I don't know what happened, but I'm sure they'll fix it. But for now, go back to Google, type in like Adobe Premiere download. This is the easiest way that I have found. I found like if you just type in Adobe, it can lead you to the right links, but what you want is these free trials. All the links for Google that say free trials, and then you just come to the ad, go to free trial. And I don't think it matters which one of these you click. You could click Adobe Creative Cloud Apps or Adobe Premiere. I think it'd be best to click the one that you already pay for and then press start free trial. Let me cover this up. I'm gonna type in my email real quick. My school email. It says enter email new and existing users, right? So I'm like, ooh, interesting. So I typed in my email. And then, yeah, ironically, I need to cut something out with Adobe Premiere, but I have to wait to download it. But yeah, I just showed you all my email, so I'm gonna cut that out. But sign in. I typed in my thing already. I'm just gonna type in my password. I keep showing all my information. Okay, now it wants to show y'all my credit card and email and stuff, but I blocked that out. You already own Creative Cloud all apps. You own the app. You're buying the app. So it says the purchase is not supported. I go to view other plans. So from here, I believe, I haven't actually tried this, but I believe you can just go to the apps and probably download them. It said log in right there. Now it like did a handshake and it kicked in that I'm logged in. All right, now I can just go ahead and download the apps, right? So I'm gonna need, I don't really use Photoshop anymore because I have a better way to make thumbnails. Easier way, that is. But you can just download whatever you need. It'll no matter what you go to download, whatever app, it'll download Adobe Creative Cloud, and you only have to do that once. And then from when you have Adobe Creative Cloud, you can download the other apps through that. It's a faster way than clicking download through all the things. Yeah, like if you want to download Photoshop, I would just wait until your cloud's already downloaded. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I'm glad I figured this out because I wanted to create some content. I'm about to stream actually some Call of Duty right now, and I have some videos to make and stuff. So ironically, they gave me a video idea, so I hope this helps somebody until they figure out their sign-in link. That should work, but you know, that's not my job. So yeah, that's the workaround that I've found. Hope to help you guys, and I'll see y'all later.